Hey guys, Brian here from 2B Clean Auto Detailing. I want to say happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there and to any of you single parents out there doing the work of both. Many blessings to you guys. Today I wanted to do a quick little video on organization. We're actually preparing our house to move, and this kind of led me to say, wow, we need to be a little more organized than we have been. So in my detailing career, if I can say, I struggled with this early on. I kind of just winged it, just bought products, put it together, and made the best of it. But as you go on through detailing, you realize you need to do something about it. So I encourage you guys first and foremost to go ahead and get organized first. So what I wanted to share was a couple of the things that really helped me stay organized. So first and foremost, for you guys that are an LLC or S Corp and all that, first is a book. You don't have to have all this fancy labeling that you'll see, but the important thing is just having your receipts, all your papers in order. That way at the end of the year you're ready for your accountant instead of spending hours trying to figure it out. Another cool little thing, and I'll try to drop some links in the description down below on these Tupperware things. So as you see, I have these labeled like wash mitts. So I have all these wash mitts in here, all these different wash mitts, and then if I need a drying towel, go ahead and get in here easily, get my drying towel. These I haven't labeled yet, but this is going to be my kind of like my old polished towels that kind of are linting. I use these for door jams a lot, just because I don't use them on the fresh paint. And then right now these are kind of drying, but then I have one just for some buffing pads. Cool little thing I like to do is I throw these silica packs within the drawer, so that I do put these away dry. However, if there's a slight bit of moisture in them, I want to believe that those help pull and make the pads nice and dry. And then right here I have some no rinse towels, some auto fiber, some Big Daddies from Luxury Microfiber. Then I have the glass towels from Auto Fiber, and then I have some glass towels from Luxury Microfiber. Then over here I have some plush towels. These are just a mixture of Auto Fiber and Luxury Microfiber. I actually have a pack of microfiber from China, and I was surprised. I'm not going to buy them again. They worked really well. I have some memberships through a couple places, so I get them at just the same price locally. And then I have, these are my utility. These are the Auto Fiber ones. I try to do color coded, so I do my first leveling for coatings, and then my second, and then actually on my third one I like to go through the entire vehicle after maybe about 20 minutes, and then just gently massage it just in case, just to make sure that there's no more high spots. Then down here I have them all labeled for interiors, just cloths and leather and carpets and such like that. Just towels that I will never touch the paint with. And this is just a junk drawer for now. Then in here I have my applicators. How I keep them organized though is I do not use, like this is an old microfiber that I used a couple of times on coatings. It's still soft. I could probably get away with using them, but I'll probably just move on. I use them for like for tires and such. I know it's a waste, but, and then I have fresh scrubbers in here, so that's how I can tell the difference. I keep them locked in the bag so that I know I don't use them before, since they're all together. I don't want to create a separate compartment, so let's just store these back in here. And then again, this is just a little junk drawer. I try to do touchless wheels, so I don't really, here's another silica packet. I try not to really even touch the wheel if I don't have to. Usually I only touch the wheel if I use a aerosol or I get a little messy on my tire sling. Tires shined. So those are some of the basics for my towels. That way you know you can grab the towel and you know where they go. My wife is amazing. She helps me out a lot, and I'll just tell her, you know, grab this, and she's like, I don't know what you want. There's so many towels. So now I have it organized. It's simple and easy even for me. The next thing I want to show you guys, in my opinion, these are my favorite totes, the Hyper Tough, and they're my favorite because it holds a lot. As you can see, I got quite a few bottles in here. So this is my interior one, so I can keep my brushes separate from my exterior bag, which I'll show you in a minute. So it'll house all my like trim shine, glass cleaner, carpet cleaner, air fresheners, and then just some of the basics for the cleaning. And then even, I believe I have some, like, yeah, I got the leather cleaner, or the leather hydration, and glass cleaner. Glass cleaner for, you know, tinted windows. So that's that one. And then I want to show you guys, I have another one. Well, I have 3 of them. I'm probably going to get more. Here's one for my exterior. So I have my bunch of my tire shines, my no rinse solutions, my detail spray, just to do a little touch up. Bunch of wheel cleaners and shampoos and some sealants. I got some tire shine, some exterior brushes. I'm getting a new order of brushes, so I'm gonna have one for outside and inside. Talk about organization, because I used to wing it and use a steamer to clean them, but now I'll have separate. So that's that. I mean, that's that interior and exterior. And then I have another one, because it's all about organization. It's all about not working over yourself, not going all over the place like, where's my stuff? So this one, I haven't labeled it, but this is my paint prep. So I have things like to get the surface prepped before you put any kind of wax sealants and all that stuff on there, because, you know, you got some paint, some even some bugs and some sap and such. This is another panel prep. Some lacquer thinner for some heavier stuff. Some citral. More citral, some IPA, some iron decon, my all-purpose 3-to-1, just some more of the panel preps, some Tarex, some more iron removal. So that way, in my world, I wash my car with my exterior bag, because I get my soaps, and then I make sure the entire surface is prepped. And then if I'm doing an interior, I grab them. So I put all these in my trunks when I'm in mobile, and they're very compact, and they get the job done in my world. Then another thing I got is just the thing for ceramic coatings, because sometimes you can get stinky. The Ceramic Pro is very potent. My Keys is not. I've had that forever. I got some glass coatings, fabric coatings, more ceramic coatings. So it's just, so in my world, I keep things organized and separate. So I really hope that this little video here helps you realize that there are some opportunities out there for you to maybe get yourself organized to be more efficient for yourself, to get in and out and not to work over yourself. I want to say Happy Father's Day to everyone again, and I'll leave you with one last message from my adorable girls.